Hi, my name's Raoul Pal. I'm the writer and publisher of the Global Macro Investor. The Global Macro Investor is an elite macroeconomic and investment strategy service that covers all the world's asset classes and all of the markets around the world, whether it's credit, equities, fixed income, foreign exchange, commodities. And I also look at emerging markets, so a whole wide range of things. My general framework that I use within GMI is I use the business cycle to give me the understanding of macroeconomic trends, and I do that very differently than most other people. I use many of the US indicators like the ISM. I build short-term business cycle frameworks, long-term business cycle frameworks, and I've been using that framework since when I was a hedge fund manager way back. My background actually in this business was I ran the hedge fund sales business at Goldman Sachs and learnt my trade from many of the world's most famous and greatest hedge fund managers. I then decided to have a go at managing money myself and went to one of the largest hedge fund firms in the world, GLG Partners, where I started and ran the Global Macro Fund. After that, I realized the opportunity was potentially in leaving the rat race and writing about macroeconomic investment strategy and also managing my own money from Spain, which is what I did for 10 years. My research is used by hedge funds, many of the big global macro hedge funds, the household names, hedge funds all around the world in many strategies, along with family offices, pension funds, sovereign wealth funds, and some government organizations. Most people use it as an idea generating tool. I do keep a track record of all of my trades, and I have one of the best track records in the industry, but it's not really following it slavishly that people should use me for. Really, it's all about how I look at the world differently, because I'm based on a small island. I don't spend my time going around everybody in Wall Street and talking about the same trade ideas. I try and keep myself non-polluted by the noise. And I think people appreciate the difference in how I think and how I approach topics. I tend to come at a different angle, look for different opportunities. When everybody's looking one way, I tend to be looking another. I'm not contrarian by nature, I just happen to be a unique thinker. And I think that's what people like, and the fact that it's provable over time, and I have had 27 years of experience in the business.